Do you have 30 days left for your Goethe B2 exam? You are feeling stressed and don't know how to start it. Don't worry. In this video, I will show you one realistic 30-day study plan with which you will be appear for your Goethe B2 exam effectively and confidently. Okay. And at the end of the video, I'm giving you one biggest mistake in Goethe B2, mostly students they do, and how to avoid it. So, hello and welcome to German with Gauri. We'll start with the video. Now we'll break this 30 days plan, study plan, into 4 simple weeks. Okay. So we'll see one by one each week, each and every week, how to go further, how to proceed with your study plan. And I'm very much sure that with this study plan, you will be able to get good marks in your Goethe B2 exam. So we'll see from first week. So first week, it will be your build your foundation week. Okay. So here, see, most of the students, what they do in their first week only, they start giving mock tests or sample tests. But that's a mistake. First, you have to understand the structure of the exam. Now, first learn format of Lesen, Hören, Schreiben, and Sprechen. As all of you know, these are the 4 modules, okay, in your exam. Now, focus on common B2 topics like environment, technology, education, work, and social media, because these are the most common topics in your Goethe B2 exam. And every day you have to study this for your exam, right? So 30 minutes you give for grammar, 30 minutes for vocabulary, 30 minutes for listening, and 30 minutes for schreiben or writing. So this is all about first week, okay? And at the end of the first week, you should be able to know your weak area. Then you can work on it, okay? Later you can work on it. So first you find out your weak area in your first week. Now coming to second week, okay? Now this is here we'll see Schreiben is all about writing. So you have to master Schreiben in your second week. Memorize useful phrases such as ich schreibe ihnen weil, ich würde mich freuen, wenn auf diesem Grund mit freundlichen Grüßen. After writing, check for your grammar, verb position, connectors, and formal language. Because for your email writing, clear structure is very, very important. So at least every day, you try to pick one topic, okay, for your writing and write one email on that particular topic. This way it will be you will be able to solve the task, writing task easily. Now coming to our third week, here you learn to speak fast, okay, because this is very very important, okay, because there is a time constraint, you can say, for your exam. So practice every day, try to speak German every day, and take one topic and speak for 2 3 minutes. So these are the most common topics I have given here: social media, climate change, online learning, travel, healthy lifestyle. So pick any one topic from these examples and speak on that for 2 3 minutes. Okay, and do one thing. There is one tip, that record your speech on your mobile phone and listen again, because in that way you will be able to find your mistakes, what did you do, and then you can correct it, right? Use this simple structure: opinion, then example, and then conclusion. For example, meiner Meinung nach, like this is all about for opinion. In my opinion, ein gutes Beispiel dafür ist, this is all about example. Beispiel is example. Zusammenfassend kann man sagen. Okay, this is the conclusion. If you follow this structure, then you will get easily good marks in your speaking too. Okay, expression. Now, coming to our week 4, this is exam simulation. Now, here, don't learn new grammar, okay? Just revise whatever you have studied. Now, this week is for mock tests, sample tests, complete full reading tests, full listening tests, then writing tasks under time pressure, and speaking simulations. Got it? So, this is all about week 4. Now, coming to the biggest mistake, because as I promised earlier, I have to tell this biggest mistake. Most students, what they do, they just spend their time in learning grammar. But understand that Goethe B2 is not a grammar test, but it's a communication test. Okay, grammar is important, but don't spend all your time in learning grammar. Okay, because here communication is very, very important, specifically in this Goethe B2 exam. Now you need vocabulary, structure, practice, and time management. So if you follow this 30-day study plan, I'm sure you'll be able to score very good marks in your Goethe B2 exam. So that's all for today, friends. If you find this video helpful, do subscribe to my channel, like and share, because I will be coming up with more such exam related videos. Bis zum nächsten Mal und viel Erfolg bei deiner Goethe B2 Prüfung. Tschüss.